Today, I'm going to be announcing the winner of my Butterbeer Candle giveaway. So we had 206 entries for this giveaway, and I had all of the entries entered into Excel, and then they were randomized, and then I had Suri select a random number between 1 and 206, and she selected number 100 as her random number, so that made the winner Deb Fox. So Deb, congratulations. I have messaged you in the original comment. If you haven't already reached out to me, please do so that I can get your shipping address, so that I can make sure I can mail out your amazing smelling Butterbeer Candle. And for those of you who didn't win, don't forget you can get these on my Etsy store, and I'll put the link in the description down below so that you can get to that. And these make an amazing gift, and like I said, they'll be wrapped in this clear cellophane, and they'll have a really cute butterbeer tag, so they make a perfect gift. As well as the Butterbeer Candle on my Etsy store, I am also going to be adding the signed bookplate because you guys emphatically said yes, you would like a signature that you would be able to put inside your book. So I'm going to put that up on my Etsy store as well. Hopefully it'll be live by the time this video airs, and I'll put the link in the description for that as well. And I just appreciate all of you guys entering this video and being so supportive, and I hope we can have many more giveaways to come. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.